Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for everything from luxury living, lifestyle tips, to unique career paths. Here at HouseLux, we're all about exploring the finer things in life and sharing our discoveries with you. Our content spans a wide range of topics, from high-end real estate tours to the most luxurious travel destinations, insider tips on lifestyle enhancements, and even fascinating insights into unconventional career paths. We're not just about the glitz and glamour, though. We're also for those who have a passion for the unique and unconventional. Yes, we're talking to you, horse enthusiasts. We know you appreciate the beauty and grace of these majestic creatures just as much as we do. Today, we delve into a unique career path, becoming a horse trainer. We'll be sharing 10 essential things you need to know before embarking on this journey. So tighten your saddle and get ready to gallop into this exciting journey. First and foremost, you need to have a deep-rooted passion for horses. This isn't a mere affection, it's a deep, unwavering love that is almost akin to a calling. Horse training isn't just a 9-to-5 job, it's a lifestyle that seeps into every corner of your life. Horses are majestic creatures, each with their unique personality and quirks. As a trainer, you become a part of their world, understanding their nuances, and forming a bond that transcends the spoken language. It's this connection that will see you through the physically strenuous days and emotionally taxing nights. Your passion for these magnificent creatures will fuel your perseverance, driving you to constantly learn, adapt, and grow. It's more than a job. It's a commitment to the well-being and growth of these animals that will demand your time, energy, and heart. Remember, passion is the driving force behind any successful career. And in the world of horse training, it's the cornerstone that sets the foundation for everything else. Next, you must understand horse behavior. To be a successful horse trainer, it's crucial to comprehend the unique behaviors and communication methods of horses. Horses are sensitive creatures, their behavior heavily influenced by their environment and their interactions with both humans and other horses. Understanding horse behavior is not just about knowing when a horse is happy, sad, or scared. It's about recognizing their body language, knowing when they're comfortable or uncomfortable, and identifying signs of potential health issues. Horses have a complex system of communication, using their ears, eyes, and body movements to express their emotions and intentions. For instance, a horse with pinned back ears and flared nostrils could be signaling discomfort or aggression. The more you understand about horse behavior, the better equipped you'll be to train them effectively, manage their daily routines, and provide the best care possible. It's a fascinating and rewarding process that helps build a deep and meaningful bond with these magnificent creatures. Understanding horses is a key to being a successful horse trainer. Being physically fit is a must in this career. Horse training isn't a stroll in the park, folks. It's a physically demanding role that requires strength, stamina, and flexibility. You'll often find yourself lifting heavy equipment, maintaining firm control of a powerful animal, and spending long hours on your feet. Strength is essential for handling these magnificent creatures. A full-grown horse can weigh anywhere between 800 to 2,000 pounds. Now imagine controlling that kind of mass without adequate physical strength. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? Stamina, on the other hand, will keep you on your toes. Literally, training sessions can stretch for hours, and it's crucial to maintain your energy throughout. And let's not forget flexibility. Quick reflexes can mean the difference between a successful training session and an unfortunate accident. Physical fitness isn't just about keeping up with the horses, it's about ensuring your own safety. So hit the gym, take up yoga or Pilates, and prepare yourself physically for the exciting journey of horse training. Patience and persistence are virtues in horse training. A truer statement has never been spoken. When you're training a horse, progress can sometimes be as slow as molasses in winter. But that's okay. Training isn't a race, it's a marathon. Imagine, if you will, teaching a child to walk. You wouldn't expect them to run a marathon on their first day, would you? Similarly, you can't expect a horse to understand and execute complex commands instantly. It takes time, and it takes patience. Now, let's talk about persistence. There will be days when you feel like you're not making any progress, days when your horse seems to have forgotten everything you've taught them. But remember, persistence pays off. It's about getting back up, dusting yourself off, and trying again and again and again. In this journey of horse training, you'll find that patience and persistence aren't just virtues, they're your allies. Patience and persistence are your allies in this journey. Equine health knowledge is indispensable. Just as you wouldn't drive a car without understanding how to maintain it, You can't expect to train a horse without knowing how to care for its health. Understanding equine health means recognizing common diseases, their symptoms, and their treatments. Colic, laminitis, and equine influenza are just a few examples of common health issues that can affect horses. Familiarizing yourself with these conditions, their prevention and treatment methods can be crucial. Moreover, basic first aid skills come in handy in case of emergencies. Learning how to treat minor wounds or recognizing signs of distress can potentially save a horse's life. Remember, a healthy horse is a happy horse, and a happy horse is more likely to respond positively to training. So take the time to educate yourself about equine health. Your equine health knowledge can make a difference in a horse's life. Continuous learning is key in this industry. As a horse trainer, your education doesn't stop once you've mastered the basics. Just like any other field, equestrian studies are constantly evolving. New training techniques emerge, fresh equine research surfaces, and industry trends shift. It's your job to stay on the pulse of these changes. You see, horses, like us, are complex creatures. As we continue to delve deeper into understanding their physiology, psychology, and overall well-being, we fine-tune our approach to training them. It's a fascinating journey of discovery that never truly ends. It's also essential to keep an eye on the trends in the industry. Are there new, more effective ways of training being introduced? Are there shifts in the competitive landscape that could affect your approach? These are questions a successful horse trainer must continually ask. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better a trainer you'll be. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Networking is invaluable in the horse industry. As in any field, the relationships you build can open doors to opportunities that may otherwise remain closed. It's like weaving a web of connections, each strand strengthening your position within the industry. Consider this. You're at a horse show and you strike up a conversation with a fellow trainer. This person could become a mentor, a friend, or even lead you to your next job. Networking isn't just about what you can gain either. It's about what you can give. Sharing your unique insights and experiences can benefit others in your network and solidify your relationships. Attend industry events, join online forums, participate in clinics and workshops. These are all excellent ways to meet like-minded individuals and industry experts. Remember, the horse industry thrives on community and collaboration, so don't be shy about introducing yourself and striking up a conversation. In the horse industry, as in life, your network is your net worth. Understanding the legal aspects is crucial. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty of contracts, liability, and insurance, which are integral parts of any horse training career. Contracts are essential when it comes to establishing clear expectations between you and your clients. They lay out the terms of your services, payment details, and what happens if things don't go as planned. It's like a roadmap that guides your professional relationship, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. Liability, on the other hand, is all about understanding and managing risk. As a horse trainer, you'll be working with large, powerful animals, and accidents can happen. Knowing your liabilities and how to mitigate them is key to prevent any legal hitches. And let's not forget about insurance. It's your safety net. It offers protection against the financial consequences of accidents or unforeseen circumstances. Having the right insurance coverage in place is like having a sturdy shield, guarding you and your career. Legal knowledge keeps you and your career protected. And that's why it's so important to understand these legal aspects before embarking on your journey as a horse trainer. Business skills are essential for horse trainers. Let's talk about why. First, managing a training business is no small feat. It requires strategic planning, efficient resource allocation, and effective communication. These skills can ensure smooth operations and a thriving business environment. Next, to attract clients and build a reputation, you need to market your services effectively. Understanding your target audience, crafting compelling messages, and utilizing the right platforms are all part of this. Lastly, finances. They can be daunting, can't they? But a good understanding of finances ensures you maintain a healthy bottom line. It's about budgeting, forecasting, and navigating the complexities of taxes and payroll. In summary, business skills are not just about turning a profit. They're about sustainability, growth, and ultimately, success. So, whether it's through formal education or self-learning, arm yourself with these skills. Business skills give you a leg up in this competitive industry. So, we've galloped through the 10 things you need to know before becoming a horse trainer. We began by discussing the importance of having a passion for horses. This is the fuel that will drive your journey. We then delved into understanding horse behavior, a crucial aspect of training. We stressed the significance of physical fitness, patience, and persistence in this role. We also covered the necessity of equine health knowledge, the importance of continuous learning, and the value of networking. You learned about the legal aspects of horse training, and we touched on the need for business skills, especially if you plan to establish your own venture. If these points resonated with you, if they've sparked a thrill in your heart, then this could be your calling. These are the stepping stones on your path to becoming a horse trainer. Remember, your journey to becoming a horse trainer starts with a single trot. Subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insights. Until next time, happy riding.